There's a video last year that I named Foundation, and it talked about building a foundation to set yourself up for success. If you want to run a marathon, you have to build upon that, do smaller races, add more training to your routine, add long runs to your routine, add speed workouts to your routine. In order to perform well, you have to have a strong foundation under you. And this week, I wanted to expand on that thought of foundation. And that word is support. Support comes in many different ways. There could be emotional support, instrumental support, and even informational support. All of these types of support vehicles can be obtained from socializing with people, socializing with friends, with families, and maybe even strangers. Sometimes strangers have the best informational advice that shows you a different perspective. I wanted to get into this thing called emotional support because I feel that without emotional support, I feel that this whole training thing doesn't have any value. I feel that when I work to support something, or when I work for others, I feel more satisfied with my life. I feel more fulfilled. And that's really something that cannot be understated. I know, obviously, working out at the end of the day is all a personal achievement, and the only person that can really get in the gym is yourself. But I really think that doing things for others or having the support of others fulfills me more than my own vision of what I want to be. Like, early times, back when I first started working out, and I wasn't strong at all, and I wasn't maybe the healthiest person in the world, but through support of others, of my colleagues, my friends, my family, they believed in me when I couldn't. They believed in me when I didn't even see it for myself. And it took a really long time for me to realize that the support structure is more important than having your own drive to do something. And now that I have this schedule locked down and I'm improving myself, that I now realize that my support structure was the most important thing to me. It still is the most important thing, to know that I have people in my corner rooting for me and wanting me to succeed. I feel so grateful for this support structure that I don't think I could ever find within myself. So this week on the deadlifts, went up to 315. Didn't have any strength in me to move up in weight. I feel like it's a very low volume type of week. Past 2 weeks for myself, just going through the motions and increasing. I'm increasing my reps nowadays, and I want to make sure I'm comfortable before moving up heavier in weight. I just don't want any. I want to make sure that my foundation is there before I try to go up another level. For the squats, 1 up to 315, 3 plates for 3 reps. On the bench, I did feel more adventurous to try the 275, but only was able to get 3 reps until I had to lower the weight to finish out the sets. Yeah, so top sets, did about 3 top sets, 275, and then the 1 set of the 275, and then 2 sets of the 245. This week, I had about 3 runs, looking good on the BPM. The BPM for the 13th, 132, and that was on a treadmill. And maybe when I'm on a treadmill, I have a lower heart rate than compared to outdoors. But it's weird that I run faster at an 836 with 132, and then my 9-minute mile is like a lot higher BPM. Maybe because of the heat, if I run outside. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one.